Came out to check on the passion fruit, and the one that I grabbed had a jumping spider on it. Of course, I didn't have my phone with me, so I had to go back in and get it, and I don't know if he's still going to be there. Yeah. I don't know if he's going to jump when I pick it up this time, though. We got a bunch more fruit. I'm wanting to try them, but I know they're not ready yet. They start to turn yellow and kind of deflate a little bit. Like these feel like pressurized, like a tennis ball. And they should feel heavier too, so I don't think they're filled up insides yet. So if I were to open them now, it would kind of just look like a bunch of like cucumber seeds, but no pulp in there. And then when they get more ripe, they get like a pocket of gel around them, kind of similar to like a pomegranate. It's like a seed encased in a pocket of pulp. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Maybe another month. We'll see. That's about it.